Haven't opened it yet, of course. It's pretty cool looking. I got it from Best Buy, but it's better price on Amazon. They matched it, but if I wasn't in a time crunch, I would have just gone straight to Amazon. And my trusty Jeep knife. This little sticker off here. This little sticker off here. Packaging. This little box here. It's my dog that doesn't like me making these videos. So inside here, Pro installation kit. Yeah, I got it wired up. Sticker for outside. Little guide. I think this goes inside your actual doorbell. Yeah. That shouldn't be too bad. The guide how to actually install the product itself. It's how to use the app. That's a cool little kit here. So this is an optional retrofit kit. I guess it's if you're, that's gonna be too big for my house. The whole point of me getting the Pro was that it was small enough. It's only supposed to be 1.85 inches wide, so it should work for me. Comes with his own little screwdriver. It's pretty cool. Comes with his own drill bit. Inside here. More screws. Oh, this little guy that goes inside the actual, that should go inside the actual doorbell, I believe. And then you have your various plates in case you have different color. It's for the front of your house. I'll probably either stick with black or silver. But it's nice to have options. Yeah, this is the whole actual device. Oh, how that actually pops out of there. There we go. That's the actual doorbell itself. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I got this off of Amazon, trying to fix my Ring doorbell. It says it's a corner kit, but I might still be able to make it work. This is just these little stackable pieces. So it's supposed to be so you can angle it, but to me it looks like these holes line up. So I'm going to try to cut one of them, stack them kind of like that, see if I can get them to work. My door frame's a little weird. Okay, you can see there's a little adapter kit. Instructions, pretty good. This is like 12 bucks. And it comes with screws and even a screwdriver, so like I said, well, hopefully this works. I'll have to cut them in some capacity, I think, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's my old shitty doorbell. I'll replace that. First thing I'm going to do is turn the power off. My dog that always barks. And what we're going to do is flip a breaker until this light goes off. It's an old house where nothing's labeled. So I'm just gonna flip breakers and see if I can figure out what's going on. So I got the right breaker, so that light is now off. Alright, so what I'm about to do is not gonna be pretty. As you can see, this doorbell's a little too big. So I chopped up those little adapters. So like an expert, I dremelled these down the side here. All by myself, no help. Now somebody else did it for me. And I'm going to try to piecemeal these together to extend it out where I can make my doorbell fit. Yeah, it's not going to look pretty, but I don't care. This is my forever home. Alright, so you'll see in a minute. So this is step one to install the power kit. So that kit we're going to have to try to do first. Actually, it says step one is to download the app. So I got my Huawei Mate 9 here, which should be on the Wi-Fi. Doesn't seem to be responding. You can take this guy off. And you got one side. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. Alright, so now we're downloading the Ring app here. I guess that's it. Yeah. I'm installing that. Alright, so we got these little guys here. So basically, I gotta pop this one guy up. So, just gonna pull this up to 90 degrees. It says it feels like it's gonna break, and it does. But it didn't, so that's good. Alright, and then the front wire. Alright, this guy's labeled front, so there should be a front wire on my actual doorbell. Alright, and then the Ring app is opening. I'll come back to that in a second. I don't think I really need that right now. Alright, so here's my old shitty doorbell. You can see one side says front, one says trans. So the power's off, so I got the flashlight on here, so I'm gonna unscrew this front guy and plug them into this one that says front. So this front into this front. I'm gonna need two hands, so I'm gonna take this off. Alright, so I use the flathead to pull this guy off. Alright, now I need to get a pair of pliers so I can straighten that out and wrap the other one around. Alright, so I'm trying to do this one hand so you only see a little bit, right? So I tried to straighten this wire out, and I'll hook this guy around this front screw. And then I'm just going to screw him down. I'm not going to do it one hand, so you get the idea. Alright, so now let's put this wire in there, wrap this guy around. Now I've got to do the same thing for the trans side. Alright, so I got to do these guys here. Alright, same concept, so I just screwed this guy down, and I straightened this wire out that was on there, and I'm going to plug him into here, right? And maybe I'm over explaining this, but I hate it when I watch a video where they're like, it's super easy to install, and then they don't show, and then I don't know what I'm doing. So, there you go. Alright, so here's everything connected. And I'll tuck all that away once I make sure it actually works. Alright. I've actually never replaced a doorbell in my entire life, but I'm going to figure out if you just unscrew these two guys, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so took it off, and it's pretty gross back here. Don't know what that is. It's a bunch of dead bugs or something. So, I'm going to splice some wires. Those are pretty short and shitty looking, so I'm going to splice some wire onto that. Alright, so no wires even labeled on the old. This old one doesn't have any kind of labeling. And the wires, can't really see the colors. I think this is yellow and this is red. We've got some old phone wire here. I'm going to splice in with a butt splice, so I won't lose these wires. Alright, if you're watching my car wiring videos, same concept. Just going to use this butt splice. There's like a little piece in the middle. It goes in there. And then you cramp it down. You can kind of see that little, there's a little ball in the middle that you can barely see. It doesn't really show up on the video. So, I'll give a better idea in a second. Yeah, so you can see I cramped it right here. There's a little ball looking guy in the middle there. Now I need to stick another wire on this side and clamp the other side down. But I gotta cut the wire a little bit, but again, I'll need two hands. Alright, so you can see I cramped this side on this side of the ball and this side there and that. So now it's got all this extra wire to work with. And I'll have to hit that. I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'll hit them with some flame to heat shrink it. Alright, you can see I got both of them there. And now I just need to hit them with the flame. And try not to burn the house down. And again, I need two hands for this. Alright, so there it is, heat shrinked. Alright, I said when we started this wasn't going to be pretty. So you can see what I did. So now I'm going to screw this bottom screw in. I did drill a little pilot hole. And I'll show you in a second. Alright, so now I got it wired in. There's no indicator of which is which. So, see how that goes. I'm going to turn the power on before I do all this stuff and make sure it works before I tie it in there. So as soon as it gets power, it just starts talking. And it's working. So you can see it's flashing blue. So now, you press this button on the side to make it start. From the top, we're not very pretty, but from the this door in, it looks alright. Right? You can't really tell a huge difference. And I'll replace this door at some point anyhow, and then get one flush fit. But there we go. So, as you can see, this is the Ring Doorbell app. It's on my phone too. I thought I would just show. It's on my Say-Cane head unit in my Jeep. I thought that was pretty cool. If you watch here, you can see where it catches everything, right? You miss doorbell rings. And then yesterday, we can see where the FedEx guy throws my $300 camera. This first time I've installed it in this Jeep head unit. It goes faster on the phone. This head unit only has 2 gigabytes of RAM and a older processor, so it could take a second. Alright, I was on the wrong Wi-Fi. Now let's try this again. You see FedEx just throws my camera. You see that? That's in my other videos on my channel, I have an unboxing of Note 8, which, if you did that, you got a $300 or $289 value for the Note, not the Note 8, this is the Samsung Gear 360 camera. So you can see, here's my doorbell over here somewhere. Here's my front steps. See the guy's way out in the grass, and watch how far he launches this thing from. I wasn't home. I would never known about that if it wasn't for the doorbell. And you can see, it goes back pretty far. I bought the $30 plan for one camera, but you can go back, like we'll go back to a week before. You can see me coming home from my trip, which would have been, so on Friday the 9th, let's see. So you can see it catches everything. So you can set your alerts to show you for everything or not. Again, so Friday the 10th, not the 9th, is what I'm looking for. So Friday the 10th around 5 p.m. is whenever, and we'll say answered motion if it sees the front door opening. So that would be our answered motions from the doorbell, and then the door opens. I forget. So let's try. My plane landed at 4:20, so probably let's do 5:21. Alright, well that was me, but so it's probably this one. Yeah, so they'll catch me driving in here, so this is where I'm driving my Jeep in, right? And then obviously I'm not coming in immediately, so it just records nothing until it times out. And then the next recording will be when I start walking into this plane of vision, field of vision, whatever you want to call it. You can see when I start walking up and get about here, it catches it, right? Now there's a problem with the camera. I'm going to contact Ring support. Clearly it looks like I have a gut in here. In real life, rock hard 6-pack abs, but for some reason this makes it look like I have a gut. Totally not true. So I'm going to contact Ring support. We'll get that fixed so it really shows my true 6-pack abs in real life. But and then I didn't forget that, and I got that. But that was before software firmware rollback actually, and then since then the video is much smoother, as you can see in the other ones. So, and then when you click on the device, you can see event history. You can set your settings up. Again, this is on my head unit that I show in my other videos. So, and like right now, we'll go to live view, and I'm gonna back up. You can watch, so you can go anytime to live view and see. Yeah, that's the first time I've installed this app here. I don't know how the Wi-Fi is gonna work on this one. I'm on my guest Wi-Fi network, so here I am backing up. Yeah, I should come into here now. I should be in my field of vision. Yeah, you can see my Jeep. I'll back up a little more. So there's a brief lag there, but again, I'm on my Wi-Fi from my house, and but yeah, it's pretty good. Overall, yeah, I'm. Especially now that I got the update, if you go to this device health, you can see that it put me back on this 19.2.3. So when I was on 19.3, it had problems. And a lot of people on the message boards on Reddit and stuff would talk about that. Since we're on this version, it's been pretty good. Alright, so the Ring's up. The Ring gets a thumbs up. I'm going to install the Floodlight cam as well. Alright, thanks.